Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Dedicated. Dedicated. Dedicated means devoted to task or purpose. For example, a team of dedicated doctors. A team of dedicated doctors. Synonyms: committed, devoted, staunch. Defensive. Defensive. Defensive means used or intended to defend or protect. For example, troops in defensive positions. Troops in defensive positions. Synonyms: defending, guarding, safeguarding. Delicate. Delicate. Delicate means very fine or intricate. For example, a spider's web, strong yet delicate. A spider's web, strong yet delicate. Synonyms: fine, exquisite, intricate. Dense. Dense. Dense means closely compacted. For example, dense volcanic rock. Dense volcanic rock. Synonyms: thick, heavy, opaque. Desirable. Desirable. Desirable means wished for as being attractive, useful, or necessary course of action. For example, it is desirable to exercise some social control over technology. It is desirable to exercise some social control over technology. Synonyms: advantageous, advisable, wise. Destructive. Destructive. Destructive means causing great and irreparable damage. For example, the destructive power of weapons. The destructive power of weapons. Synonyms: devastating, ruinous, disastrous. Distinctive. Distinctive. Distinctive means characteristic of one person or thing, and so serving to distinguish it from others. For example, juniper berries give gin its distinctive flavor. Juniper berries give gin its distinctive flavor. Synonyms: distinguishing, characteristic, typical. Disturbing. Disturbing. Disturbing means causing anxiety. For example, disturbing unemployment figures. Disturbing unemployment figures. Divine. Divine. Divine means from or like God or God. For example, heroes with divine powers. Heroes with divine powers. Synonyms: godly, godlike, angelic. Driving. Driving. Driving means blown by wind with great force. For example, driving rain. Driving rain. Synonyms: assertive, forceful, competitive. Dual. Dual. Dual means consisting of two elements. For example, their dual role at work and home. Their dual role at work and home. Synonyms: double, twofold, binary. Dumb. Dumb. Dumb means temporarily unable to speak. For example, she stood dumb while he poured out a stream of abuse. She stood dumb while he poured out a stream of abuse. Synonyms: speechless, tongue-tied, wordless. Eager. Eager. Eager means strongly wanting to do or have something. For example, the man was eager to please. The man was eager to please. Synonyms: anxious, impatient, waiting with bated breath. Ecological. Ecological. Ecological means relating to or concerned with relation of living organisms to one another and to their physical surroundings. For example, pollution is posing a serious threat to the ecological balance of the oceans. Pollution is posing a serious threat to the ecological balance of the oceans. Elaborate. Elaborate. Elaborate means detailed and complicated. For example, elaborate security precautions. Elaborate security precautions. Synonyms: complicated, detailed, intricate. Electoral. Electoral. Electoral means relating to elections or electors. For example, electoral reform. Electoral reform. Eligible. Eligible. Eligible means having right to do or obtain something. For example, customers who are eligible for discounts. Customers who are eligible for discounts. Synonyms: entitled, permitted, allowed. Empirical. Empirical. Empirical means based on, concerned with, or verifiable by observation or experience rather than theory or pure logic. For example, they provided considerable empirical evidence to support their argument. They provided considerable empirical evidence to support their argument. Synonyms: observed, seen, factual. Encouraging. Encouraging. Encouraging means giving someone support or confidence. For example, she gave me an encouraging smile. She gave me an encouraging smile. Synonyms: supportive, reassuring, affirmative. Endless. Endless. Endless means having or seeming to have no end or limit. For example, endless ocean wastes. Endless ocean wastes. Synonyms: unlimited, limitless, illimitable.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.